Hi, my name is Gabriel Ortiz, and today I'm going to talk about the country Greece. Where is Greece located? Well, it's a country with hundreds of islands located in the southwest of Europe. It's the southernmost of the countries of the Balkan Peninsula, and it borders with Albania, Bulgaria, Macedonia, and Turkey. If you don't know where is the Balkan Peninsula, is in the right side of Italy. Well, what kind of activities can we do or can you do in Greece? Well, Greece is well known because of its incredible beaches, archaeological zones, and some unbelievable landscapes. So, the most common activities are sightseeing, tours on the cities or with the nature, like forest or something like that. And I think that I recommend is to have a romantic day in one of the best beaches of the world. Also, you can practice some aquatic sports just like windsurf, kitesurf, and snorkel. Here we make or link some pages where you can know more of these sports, and that's it. Thank you.